Hi guys, it's been a while. Now I'm going to talk about yours. Oh yeah, first before I start, like this video, and subscribe to my videos, and put the notification bell on. And yeah, and comment down below what you would love me to do, like more videos, because I haven't been posting. I'm so sorry. I literally been up my head, and I know the lipstick won't come off. I tried, it's just it's stained. It won't come off, so forget about my face, my eyebrows, they will come off anyway. I want to talk to you guys about this ball, and this is kind of for girls, but boys, if you want to listen, please join, because I would love you to look and do my videos, and I'll do one for boys next week or this week coming. This is a girl's moon changer. It's called Moon Days. Lasts for a week, but this is the moon day thing, and this ball is worth every little penny. Oh shit. Okay, sorry, I'm back. So this ball comes up. So sorry. So this comes up to here. That means that's natural days. They're all good days. These are natural days. See, I'm not even putting anger in there. That's natural days. So that was normal days you have when you're not on your moon days. So that, I'm not even putting pressure on it. It's just normal. No banging, no nothing. And when you're on moon day and you're like coming onto it, this is how you'll be acting. I don't know if you can hear me from here, but let's try. Okay. It will be like this. It's coming higher. So it was here, now there, and now there. So your moon days is angry days. So moon days is angry all the time when you're on your moon days. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you natural days. I'm gonna show you natural normal days when you're not on your moon days. So let's show you. That's normal moon days. That was the special point of my special moon day ball. Now this is when you're having bad pains and you're coming on. Your anger builds up.
So, lady.
Yeah, that's my sister. So it goes like that. See, it's gone even higher than it was like that. Higher, it's gone. The higher, your pressure's going because you're angry. So that's just coming on. So how high will it go when you come right on? So now I'll show you how it goes. So watch how high the ball goes. That's how your anger gets built up. It's just like a magnet boost. So it goes like that, yeah, that's normal. Then it goes like that, higher, and even higher. It's nothing special. Hello. And you're gonna ask me, what is that all supposed to be? What are you teaching me? I'm not teaching you anything, and this is my sister. I'm just telling you how your moon days happen. Say as this lovely little Shetland, as you can't see, was on her moon day last week.
She just said moon day.
I can't say it. And this is my. She's too. So everyone's gonna be saying moon days.
Have you got any carrots?
No. And I'm saying this is how moon changes. It's just normal pressure, then it gets higher and higher. It's just natural things happen to girls. See, my Shetland, do you want to come over here, lady? This is my lovely little Shetland. And she had her moon day last week, I believe. And this is her changing of the weather. It's by the moon and the day of the
She likes this.
So, this
Really?
is not any
She likes
moon
sweets.
day. This is all you have. There's anger in this ball. It comes up every month. It just draws up and up and up. Then when you're coming off, it just falls back to this. You see? But when you naturally bounce it, it don't. That's your normal anger. You don't go like
Don't
this. You don't bounce it as high. This is your natural bounce. That's what I do. Okay?
Oh, at least the breath smells better.
So I'm just teaching you that. But like, if you want more videos like this, I will do it for the boys next time, and I'll do it for all of you. But ask me if you like this video.
Red!
And I think everyone should get one of these balls. I think my brother got from B&Q, but you could order it offline or find it in another shop. They're only cheap, and they're very good. They're very spongy, and you could put your anger in this and see how big it gets. It's just angry all the time. You see? That's just how it works. Ted! Sorry, so I'm going to give you one more sample. Right there. This is normal. Then higher, then higher, then higher, then higher. Can people tell me?
Scaring her.
Sorry. Can people tell me how this happens? This is not normal. This is a normal ball. But that's how your anger. This is nothing. I'm just showing you how this gets into it. You see?
I just tried saying lady likes.
And
Get
it's
off
just
of her.
really tiny, this angry little ball. And it just
Get off of her.
goes higher and higher.
Really? Tell him he can't get on her.
He can.
Get Ted.
Exactly.
Actually, don't get Ted. Ted's far.
This is too much. Yo, what's up? So that's how anger acts. So,
I think I am potty.
so I'm gonna let you go. Enjoy your summer. No, not your summer. Your weekend, because I'm gonna have a good weekend. I've got a party to go to tomorrow. Sunday, pretty stupid things. So let's do this. Love you, everyone. Lipstick won't come off. Subscribe, please.